Bam, it's my face now. So you might wonder, why the heck am I learning this stuff? Why does it matter to me? Well, specifically, it helps us talk about maps and distributions across areas in a shared language. Just like today, when we were trying to figure out why dogs might be in a certain area and why cats might be in another, we started using the same language and it all started kind of clicking a little bit better. The first thing you're going to do, though, before we start speaking the same language, is fill in this sheet. This sheet is your homework for tonight, and it measures travel and tourism in the United States. You'll notice that there are two categories. Sorry, I'm trying to point backwards. There are the bottom 10 states that people want to visit and the top 10 states that people want to visit. Well, in order to see any patterns or see any trends, we're going to need to kind of color those in. What you're going to do is use two shades. You're going to do in maybe dark blue here, and don't do dark blue, this page is blue, and green here and yellow here. You're going to color all these states yellow. Please do a neat job. And you're going to color all these states green so that maybe we can start seeing the different patterns and dispersions and stuff that pop out. Once you've done that, you're going to take a look at this map as a geographer using the language and the ideas that we went through in that little video I just made, which, by the way, was great. I know it was boring, sorry. But going through those things and using that language, you're going to write a sentence. You're going to write 3 sentences that describe what you see and 3 sentences that describe why you think those things are true. You can make guesses, you can be wrong, you can do research if you really want to be right, but you can basically what you need to do is practice using the language that we just talked about. So when you're talking about how close things are, you should be talking about density, right? When you're talking about how far away these things are, you should talk about space, right? So that's your homework for tonight. Please do a neat and tidy job. Make sure your name's on it. Please use 2 different colors, not a shade of one color. And we're going to save the world travel on the back for class tomorrow. So you're just doing this side, and that's your homework.